We have a question about the sacrifice on Eid al-Adha. Why do you perform the sacrifice? What's the purpose? What is the benefit? Well, the fact that one has been ordered by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to perform an action, and to be able to perform the action should be a reason enough. In addition to that, the purpose behind the sacrifice is to relive the sacrifice of Ibrahim alayhi salam, who, when asked to sacrifice his own son, did so. And as you remember well, at the last moment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ensured that the boy was switched with the ram. When we perform the sacrifice, we declare through our actions that if we have to sacrifice anyone, if we have to give up any habit, if we have to leave any action for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will willingly do that. And because of this action, we become more righteous, to be more pious. This is part of the training. That for yourself, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for the other Muslims, for the other human beings even, we make sacrifices of ourselves so that others may benefit. The real concept of sacrifice and its training is taught through the sunnah of Ibrahim alayhi salam. May Allah accept your sacrifice and our sacrifice.